Hi, here's where trig gets really fun and where we can use a lot of it in calculus is solving equations, which we kind of worked on last time, but here we're going to solve equations by factoring, which is one of our favorite things to do. So if we look right here, sine theta, cosine theta, minus sine theta. Both of these terms are divisible by sine theta, so I'm going to pull sine theta out. So I'd have sine theta. If I divide this one by sine theta, what I would be left with is cosine theta. If I divide this one by sine theta, what I'd be left with is 1. Okay, so from here, if sine theta equals 0, then 0 times this quantity would be 0, just like in regular algebra. Also, if cosine minus 1 equals 0, that times sine theta would also equal 0. So now I have two equations just like I would for a normal algebra factoring problem. So sine theta equals 0. So if we're looking at our unit circle, because this is one of the special ones, I'm going to go ahead and put, this is 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Remember that sine values are your y values. So our y values are 0 here at 0 degrees and here at 180 degrees. So 0 degrees and 180 degrees. And we only have to look on the interval from 0 to 360. Always double check that. So theta here equals 0 degrees or 360 degrees. Or 180, I forgot the 180. Or 180 degrees. At the end I'm going to put those in order because that kind of bothers me. Alright, now we're going to look at this one, cosine theta minus 1. If that equals 0 times the sine, the whole thing's going to equal 0. So over here, cosine theta minus 1 equals 0. Remember, you have to isolate the trig expression, the trig ratio. So add 1. So cosine theta equals 1. Looking back over here at the unit circle, remember that cosine is our x values. So our x values being 1 happen at 0 and 360. And that's it, because this is inclusive with 0 and 360. So theta could equal 0 degrees or 360 degrees from that expression. So my final, and these two overlap, and that's totally fine. So our final answer is 0 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. I know in this problem, the second term didn't give us any more answers, but that won't always happen. So you need to check both terms. Okay, let's try another example.